Welcome! In front of me I have REALME Band, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen brightness on this device. To change the screen brightness on this device, we need to open the REALME Link app on our phone. In the app, let's select REALME Band, then tap on the settings icon right here. Now scroll down and tap on the option called Brightness. And here we can change the screen brightness by swiping left and right on the slider right here in our app. And once you're done setting it up, go back. It will save the settings. As you can see, the screen got dimmer. Let's go back and bring it back to full. You can also enable option called Night Brightness Settings. And here you can adjust the brightness by swiping on the slider again, and we can set up the schedule for it. For example, we can tap on From, and here we can set the hour on which the screen will go to the specific brightness we set up right here, and we can change the hour, minutes, and then tap Confirm, and then we can tap on 2 to set the hour on which it's gonna be changing back to normal, like that. And once you've done, of course, you need to go back to save your settings. And that's how you change the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.